um, reviewing our number line. So you just watched the video, you just watched 2 examples, and we're going to look again at that first example. Remember that we've done this before. Oh, and I don't like this pencil. So let's start with drawing our number line. Oh God, can't do it on here either. And then let's start with our fractions. So we have 3 over 4 divided by 3. So let me just draw that number line again because it's bothering me. So we're going to split that up into fourths because our denominator is 4. I'm only drawing 3 lines because I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm going to cut it off at 3/4 because I'm only using 3/4. So I'm going to draw a line. Draw a line at the 3/4. Next, I'm going to look, and it's asking me to divide it into 3 equal parts. Let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3. Are these equal? Well, the answer is yes, they are equal. So we have here 1, 2, 3. So now what I have to do is I need to label them. But here's where I've seen a few of you go wrong. Those of you who have tried this, you know that we've stuck to the other models, but it's really important for you to at least refresh your memory on these. So I have a total of 4. I've broken it up to 3, so I'm only looking at the 3s up to 3/4. So I need to break these down. 1 must be worth 1 out of the total. So this one would be 1/4. This one would be 2/4. This one would again be 3/4. And this one would be 4/4. Just to give you that picture on this one, but you won't need to know this one. So I have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Each section is worth 1/4. So that's my answer. It's asking me what is 1/4, what is one of these sections worth, because we're dividing 3/4 by 3. So it's asking me what is one of these sections worth. And we see that they each go up 1. So one section would be worth 1/4 or 1/4. So you can use this method and double check your work by multiplying by the reciprocal. We can put our 1 here. We can do 3/4 times 1/3. And that gives us 3/12. Now you're thinking, why aren't these equal? Well, these have a greatest common factor that you need to simplify. So 3 and 12 share a common factor of 3. So if you divide 3/12 by 3, because we're reducing that fraction, we get 1 over 4. So that's our answer, and if you can see, they are the same. So you can try this, and you're going to need to try this, but you can always double check your work by multiplying by the reciprocal or by doing Jimmy Neutron. So let me clear here. And let's look at, for the sake of time, let's look at the area model. And let's look at 1/4 divided by 5. So I'm looking at 1/4. I know that 1/4 can be shown in a pie, but to make matters easier, I'm going to draw a box because it's easier for me to visualize, and I'm going to separate it into 1/4. Into fourths. So I have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, sort of like our number line. And I'm going to fill or color this one in. Ariana, I know that you're upset with my coloring skills right now, but I'm going to color this one in because that's 1/4. Then I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to separate it into fifths, and I'm going to do it the other way because I already have things coming down this way, so I'm going to do it horizontally. I'm going to divide it into fifths. To have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to take a look at my top one here. My top one here shows that I have 1 out of 4 filled in. That just shows this. That's what this is showing. Now, I know that I have 1 filled in, and the next step for me to do is just like the other one you counted all of the boxes, all of the rows, you're going to do the same thing. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I have 1 over 20, and that's my answer. And again, you can double check this by simply multiplying by the reciprocal for this fraction. So let's see. 1/4 times 1 over 5, because remember, we multiply by the reciprocal, we get 1 over 20, which was exactly what we got last time. All right, well, you may now go ahead and log into your MobyMax. I made cards. Ms. Thompson will pass those out to you guys. And so I hope you have had a great day.